The thing that really impressed us about Schroeder is that they had everything in-house. There was the design team, there was the sales, there was the project, the whole thing. We didn't have to worry about who's going to do this part and who's going to do that part. And so we had a project already in the works, in the middle of the project, and we weren't happy with the construction company that we had originally. And so we talked to Schroeder about doing the actual build process. Most of the design we thought was already done. Jessica was on it, and she was able to work with our previous design and order our cabinets, order what we wanted, and also give us things that maybe we hadn't thought about before. And she is so knowledgeable about that whole process. She was able to answer questions. She didn't have to ask the cabinet company. She already knew. I love my countertops. I love my island countertop and just that wide open space. It's just clear, it's beautiful, it's shiny. I love it. I love that countertop and I love the space. I was amazed at the whole thing. But the thing that really I love more than anything is my floors. Just seeing an empty house with brand new refinished floors in different color, and it's such a rich, beautiful color. I love my floors. I was fascinated by the whole process. I just enjoyed the whole progression of the demolition, just building back piece by piece and part by part. I was amazed at the whole thing. My site manager, Oswaldo, is like MacGyver. He can do anything with a hammer and a toothpick. He's good. I was really impressed with the integrity of the company and Paul, my project manager. I think anything that came up, he took it in stride. And not just took it in stride, but he took responsibility, took accountability for every part of the project. I really appreciate that. And that you don't find that everywhere. Integrity is hard to find sometimes in people and in companies.